We are now here at Clark and we're heading to Coron, Busuanga. I'm with the gang. Say hi. Hello. Say hi po. We are now checking our baggage. So pinagkasya po kami. So, I'm with Rosmar.
Midrendo.
We're here at Busuanga.
We just landed.
Yeah. As in right now.
We had a very nice flight, smooth.
Yeah.
Except for the landing.
The left, right, and
We are now here at home.
Yeah.
So this is our first night here in Coron. Dito kami sa Sharky's kakain. Sama namin si Rosmar. Rosmar!
Kahit dito siguro to sa
Binabati ka po na yung friend ko from Cavite. Cavite! All the way from the beautiful land. Everybody knows the things you do. From the way you talk to the way you move. Every mortal that you in this life, this is the last time that we met. Exactly like we were before your eyes. Never scared of getting old, what makes me restless. It was just like a movie. It was just like a song. Thank you so much.
salamat po. Akala namin isang tawag ng tanghalan. Tawag ng tanghalan dito sa Coron, Palawan.
Hi guys.
fresh. Tignan mo lang kung parang mo naman.
Wow!
Putong check.
It's our
Nandito kami
second day
ngayon sa
here in
Coron.
Coron.
And
Yeah.
say hi to the ushers.
Yeah. We have ushers here in Coron.
I'll say the booking. Yeah. Oh, okay. So please take a look and
For everybody. Di ba gusto mong legend?
Alam ko,
Ay, hindi. Ano, sweet and healthy.
Yeah.
Isa lang dito, banana apple.
apple 1 piece sa kanya para ano. Dito isusubo niya.
100 pesos per ano.
Wow. Yeah.
Sa Coron.
Akala nila punong-puno na yung tao dito. Walang pa lang pala.
Sabi dami tao doon. Sabi.
Kausap natin si...
Wala nagsasalita.
Yes.
order ako.
Dalawang fruits. Ikaw.
Ay, di na po namin kayo pagbibentahan. Isa-isa lang.
So now we're going to Island Hopping. Ako mango shake.
Benga siya.
So sweaty.
We are now here at Vivian. Ano tawag doon?
Vivian Beach.
Vivian Beach. So, kamusta naman ang buhay isla, kuya?
Okay naman.
Ilan taong ka na?
25 po.
Si kuya. Ano pangalan mo? Captain. Ay, Captain. Ano pangalan mo, kuya?
Lester po.
Ay, Lester. So, sa mga gusto po pumunta lang,
Pauline po.
Pauline.
Pauline Osborne.
hanapin nyo lang. Medyo. Charot. I-recommend namin kayo sa mga future na pupunta doon ng Coron.
Green Lagoon po. So, yung room naman po natin located sa Lakmisan Lagoon po.
For dinner tonight.
Dinner?
Po kayo mag-dinner tonight?
Mga 7:30 kuya, mga ganyan.
Sa restaurant po dito.
Sa restaurant na po. We're now here, just waiting for our dinner.
Hi, and welcome to Philippine Airlines. We care about your safety.
Video. Pwede ba tayo na naghihiga ka na lang?
Mahiwagan sa lamin, kailan ba niya aaminin? Kanyang tunay na pagtingin. Mahiwagan sa lamin, ano bang dapat gawin? Bakit ang puso'y napipitin? Salamin, salamin sa dingding, nasa ng pag-ibig. Salamin, salamin sa dingding, pwede mo ba sabihin?
We're now going to Kalawit Safari. And bago ka makapunta doon, kailangan mo na 5 minutes boat ride. We are now here are at Kalawit Safari Park with giraffe. Hi guys, we're now going to Makinit Hot Spring. So hi guys, this is our last day here in Coron. Itsura ng last day. So after namin mag-boat house for 3 days and 2 nights, dito naman kami ngayon sa city. We're exploring city ng Coron.
I love my vlog.
So what can you say about your second time here in Coron?
Really good. Lovely. We had a lovely time.